Do you ever wonder what to do with all those excess grapes that you're growing in your grape arbor? Well, in today's video, we're going to show you 5 ways that we handle preserving our grapes on the homestead. Stay tuned. Hey everyone, I'm Tammy and welcome to City Homestead Living, where bringing a piece of country to your backyard is more than a motto, it is our way of life. Here on the homestead, we're on a mission to help hundreds of thousands of individuals and families live a more sustainable way of life right where they are. You don't need 100 acres and 40 head of cattle. All you need is the will to grow your own food in unique ways. Today, we're just going to show you how you can either use the grapes from your grape arbor or even from the store, or you can buy them in bulk from produce stands. So come on along and we'll show you how to begin your sustainable way of living. When it's grape harvesting season, the whole family gets together and harvests all the grapes. We are going to show you today 5 of the ways that we process our grapes using different methods. Got all the grapes off the stems, washed, and into the pot. Once the grapes are ready for processing, we are going to place them either on a cookie sheet with parchment paper to individually freeze, or we will put them into freezer bags and stick them in the freezer. These are the best ways to preserve your grapes for processing later. We do our grape jam rather unconventionally. We do not slip the skins off of the seeds and separate them. What we do is we cook up our entire grapes. We run it through a very old-fashioned 80-year-old potato ricer to extract the excess skins and seeds, and then we make our jam from the pulp that comes out of it. Another option would be to use a food mill. However, this is the way my grandma did it. These are the grapes from the grape arbor, and we have boiled them down, and now we're going to take an immersion blender and pulverize the skins and pulp, and then we'll run it through a potato ricer that belonged to my great grandma and is about 80 some years old. And that's what we're going to do today. Be sure to like and subscribe, hit that notification bell, and be part of this growing community by sharing on your social media. We are going to prepare this jam by using our sugar, lemon juice, and pectin. Next, we will ladle it into our sterilized jars, then put the rings and lids on, and finally place it in our water bath canner. Here is our finished product. I'll leave a link below to the actual recipe. Next, we will preserve our jam without a water bath canner. We are going to do this the same recipe. However, instead of rings and lids, we're using paraffin. Just take a look at our beautiful final product. Okay, this is the potato ricer. I filled it with my mash here. We're getting the seeds out, some of the skins that didn't pulverize, and we're filling up bags to put into the freezer because we have plenty of jam on the shelf right now, and I will save these for later. Here I gave the girls the skins and seeds that were left over from processing my grapes into jam. Still working on processing grapes. We had so many, even though farmer said we would have had more if I hadn't waited so long to pick them. I don't know about that. I had to share with the birds too. So anyway, they're loving it. They're excited. Here we go. Have fun, girls. Thank you for joining us today. We are so glad that you stopped by the homestead today. And as always,
happy homesteading adventures!